Hi friends at home, I'm here with your friends in the classroom. We are getting ready to do our math for today. We are doing the problem solving pages today, so it begins on 277. So if you would open your books up to 277, we can get started. The problem solving pages, as you know, we take the concepts that we've been working on so far in this chapter and we apply them in word problems or story problems. So kind of like real life situations when you might need to use the skills we've been learning, okay? It's always a good idea when you learn new skills. Okay, cool, I know how to do that, but why do I need to know? Well, our problem solving pages help us understand why we need to know these things. When will I use this in my life? The problem solving pages show us when, okay? So this is like a spinner. You can see if it was real, I could spin the spinner and it would spin around. And it says Spencer spins the pointer and it lands on a number. The number is greater than 20, so that means it's bigger than 20. And the number is less than 30. Okay? It has 5 ones. So let's look at the numbers here and use our reasoning to answer the question. Reasoning is when we take what we know and we use it to solve the equation. So it says, which numbers on the spinner are greater than 20? 25 is greater, 26 is greater, and 31 is greater. So it can't be 17, okay? The next question we ask ourselves is, which of these numbers are less than 30? So I'm looking for numbers less than 30. Well, number 25 is less than 30, and number 26 is less than 30, but 31 is not, so it can't be 31. So now I know that his number is either 25 or 26. Now the last clue they gave us said his number has 5 ones. So which of these numbers, 25 or 26, have 5 ones, Johnny? 25. So his number must be 25. So in order to make sure our answer matches the clues, we check. Is 25 bigger than 20? Yes. Is 25 less than 30? Yes. Does 25 have 5 in the ones place? Yes, it matches all the clues, so our answer is 25. We used our reasoning skills to solve problems, okay? So now if we turn the page here, we're going to read about Victoria. Victoria spins and lands on a number. Her number is bigger than 50, greater than 50. So let's underline greater than 50. So that's the first thing we need to look for. It's less than 100, and it has 1 1. Okay, so first thing we need to do is look at each number and decide, is it bigger than 50? Is 41 bigger than 50, Victoria? No, so it can't be 41. We can cross that off. Is 81 bigger than 50? Yes. Is 55 bigger than 50? Yes. Is 100 bigger than 50? Yes. Now let's look at our second clue. It has to be less than 100. Is 81 less than 100? Yeah. Is 55 less than 100? Is 100 less than 100? No, so it can't be 100. And our last clue says it has 1 1. So Victoria, looking at 55 and 81, which one has 1 1? 81. So our answer must be 81. So what number does Victoria land on, everybody? You can write 81. Good job. Now we're going to read about Aiden. It says Aiden picks a number. So here's the numbers that were in the bowl or the hat. And he pulls out a number. His number is greater than 30. So let's underline greater than 30. And less than 50. So underline less than 50. It has no ones. So I'm going to underline no ones. So let's look at our numbers now. Is 50 greater than 30? Yeah. Is 40 greater than 30? Yeah. Is 29 greater than 30? No, so you can cross off 29. It can't be 29. Is 45 greater than 30? Yes. Okay. Our next clue says it's less than 50. Is 50 less than 50? No, so it can't be 50. Is 40 less than 50? Yeah. Is 45 less than 50? Yes. Now our last clue says it has no ones. So Faith, looking at 40 and 45, which one has no ones? 40. So Aiden must have picked the number 40. We're not going to write a math story problem. We're going to go on because we have lots of pages in our problem solving pages here. This is just a refresher. So let's look down here at Carlos. Carlos picks a number. The number is greater than 10. So let's underline greater than 10. It is less than 80. So let's underline less than 80. And it has 5 ones. So we'll underline 5 ones. Who can walk me through this problem? I want one of you to walk me through it. Okay, Faith, walk us through it. Our first clue is?
Greater than 10.
Okay, so is 10 greater than 10, Faith? No, so it can't be 10. Is 50 greater than 10, Faith?
Yeah.
Is 35 greater than 10? Yeah. Is 71 greater than 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what's the next thing I do, Faith? All right, less than 80. Is 50 less than 80?
Yeah.
Is 35 less than 80?
Yeah.
Is 71 less than 80?
Yeah.
Okay. And the last clue, Faith, is what?
Well, it has 5 ones.
So which one of these numbers has 5 ones, Faith?
35.
35. Excellent job, Faith. So what number did Carlos pick? You can write on the line. He picked 35. Camila, you want to walk me through the next one? All right, let's turn the page to 280. We're reading about Drew. And we've got some balloons here. So our clues here say Drew picks a balloon. His number is greater than 10, less than 100, no ones. So Camila, walk us through. Is 50 greater than 10, Camila?
Yeah.
Yes. Is 100 greater than 10?
Yeah.
Is 1 greater than 10? No, so it can't be 1. Is 25 greater than 10?
No.
Yes. So what do I do next, Camila? My next clue says less than 100, right? Is 50 less than 100?
Yeah.
Is 100 less than 100?
No.
No, so it can't be 100. Is 25 less than 100? Yes. And it says it has no ones, Camila. So which one of these numbers has no ones? 50. Excellent. So which balloon did he pick? The balloon with the number 50.
The question about
Mateo, walk me through number 3. It says Addie picks a number from a bag. The number is between 25 and 35. It has 6 ones. Okay? So, is 25 between 25 and 35? No. Is 30 between 25 and 35? Yes. Is 29 between 25 and 35? Is 26 between 25 and 35? Yes. It says it has 6 ones, Mateo. So which number must it be?
it must be 26.
It must be 26. Good job. All right, let's take a look at number 4. We're reading about Randy. Dominic, it says Randy says he's thinking of a number between 10 and 40. It has 2 10s. How many possible numbers are there? Okay, well, if it's between 10 and 40, and it has 2 10s, it's either 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, or 29, because it has 2 10s, right? So how many choices does he have? Let's count his choices. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 choices. So there are 10 possible answers for the number he's thinking of. Okay? All right, let's read about Melissa. Melissa picks a number between 80 and 100. Between 80 and 100. It has 7 ones. How many possible numbers are there between 80 and 100? Well, she could have 87, right? Because that has 7 ones. Or what's the other choice she could have between 80 and 100? She could have, yeah, I heard someone say it, 97. So how many possible answers are there, Drew? It's either this one or that one. So how many choices does she have? One choice or?
The other.
Okay, so one or the other. How many is that?
The first one.
I'm asking how many choices does she have? Does she have only one choice? Does she have 5 choices? How many choices? 2. There it is. You're saying one or the other. I'm like, yeah, one or the other. That makes 2. All right, good job. Let's go to the top of 281. This is the last page. It says Garrett chooses one of the numbers shown. We don't know which one. It's greater than 25, so underline greater than 25. It's less than 50. It has 9 ones. So, Austin, walk us through this. If you were on your own on a test, what would you do?
So, this is what I would do. I would know that this 20 has to be greater than 25, less than 40.
Okay, so let's, whoever that is humming, it's beautiful, but it's not appropriate for math, so stop.
Then I would put,
Okay, so which ones are greater than 25? Is 21 greater than 25? No, so cross off 21. Is 44 greater than 25? 44 is not bigger than 25? Oh, yeah, it is. Is 39 bigger than 25? Is 59 bigger than 25? Yes. So then the next thing it tells us is it's less than 50. So is 44 less than 50? Whoever's shouting yes, stop. I'm asking Austin. Is 39 less than 50? Is 59 less than 50? No, so cross off 59. And then our last clue, Austin, it has 9 ones. So which one of these has 9 ones? Has to be 39. Good job. Oh, good job. So Jessica spins the wheel and it lands on one of these numbers. The number is greater than 10, less than 50. It has the same number of 1s and 10s. All right, same amount of 1s and 10s. So it's greater than 10, it can't be 5. It's less than 50, it can't be 50. So it's either 11 or 41, Victoria, but it has to have the same number of 10s and 1s. So which one is it? 11. Good job. And down at the bottom, a number is greater than 51, but less than 57. So look, think about a number line here. If it's bigger than 51, it's either 52, 53, 54, 55, or 56, because it has to be smaller than 57, but bigger than 51. So it's one of these numbers, okay? It has more 1s than 10s. Does 52 have more 1s than 10s? No. Does 53 have more 1s than 10s? No. Does 54 have more 1s than 10s? No. Does 55 have more 1s than 10s? Does 56 have more 1s than 10s? Yeah, we have 6 1s and only 5 10s. So the number is 56, which is the only number greater than 51 and less than 57 that has more 1s than 10s. Good job, friends. And we'll do 2 more on the back and then we'll be done. Landon picks a number between 70 and 100. It has 9 tens. What are his possible answers? Well, if it's between 70 and 100 and it has 9 tens, it could either be 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, or 99. Those are the only numbers that have 9 tens. How many choices are there then, Landon? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 possible choices. And the last one we'll do is number 5. We're going to skip this one. So it says Kayla pulls a number out of a bag between 10 and 100. It's got the same number of 1s and 10s. How many possible answers are there? Well, it could be, if it has the same number of 10s and 1s, we could have 11. We could have 22. What else could we have? What about 33?
44.
What else? 44. Good job. What else?
45.
How about 55, right? 55. What about 66? Yeah, you're catching on. What about 77? 88. Good job. Or 99. So all we're doing is the ones with tens and 1s. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. How many choices is that? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many possible choices were there? 9. All right, great job with this, boys and girls. We'll see you later, friends at home.